Looking for how to merge cells in Word table, then keep watching. First you need to click on insert and insert the table of 8 by 6 and as much as you can. So now for example you want to merge these three cells, then select it and head to the layout on the top right corner. Click on that and here you can see that merge cells. Now click on this and now you can see that the three cells are merged. If you want to merge for example these three cells, then again select it and click merge cells. And if you want to merge these two cells, then click on this. So this way you can easily merge cells in Word table. So I hope you understand how you can merge table in MS Word. Thanks for watching.